It's 4:46 a.m. I am awake. I'm gonna get my shower with HIPAA cleanse. I started that time of the month last night. Knew it was going to happen to me. Headed to North Beach Plastic Surgery to see Dr. Ceylon. Pre-op fit. So cute. Got all my silicones in. We're ready to go. Oh. This is where we sit and wait. Made it back home. Chet's gonna get me out. Gotta look like a ghost.
What do you want me to take?
Buckle me. But don't let it hit me.
It's behind your head right now.
I just tried to drink out of that.
How's your spoon straw?
Trooper Chad.
Here, Oden, can you take